So guys, you can see I'm still watching the trade. All right, I'm still watching the trade. You can see I put in more position right here, okay, because I've kind of start seeing that bearish power right here, so I can equally put in more position again. So remember, I'm just sharing with you this. My SL should be here. At this point, my SL should be above here instead of putting it at the previous stop loss level. This is the previous stop loss level based on this strategy, which is this zone. Okay, but this more positions I'm adding right here, the stop loss is now here above this swing high. Okay, so as we watch and see how the price play out, guys, remember our TP is still down to this level. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So guys, you can see so far the price has started dropping massively. We still have a long way to go anyways, so let's see how it goes with my multiple entry. I have about 5 entries right here, so you can see from here. So we are looking forward price dropping towards the downside, so our TP level. Okay, so that's it. Let's see how it goes. All right guys, so as you can see right here, the price is still pushing way to the downside. So from here you can see clearly that we are about hitting our target, which is this psychological level there. So if the price should come to this psychological level, I'm going to be taking some profit, especially the second entries. All these things are the entries I made. The previous one was 2 entries, but I scale in, okay, entries right there. So why I'm going to be paying attention to this trade right now is because the price is close to my psychological level. So the price might decide to respect this level again by maybe creating a pattern right there and reversing to the upside, so which I wouldn't want. I want I supposed to have taken profit at that zone. That's why I'm going to be paying attention to whatever the price is going to be doing around this zone. But how I'm going to manage this is that I'm going to be closing some of the trades right here. This is a small account, so you need to understand how to take profit in order to grow your account. Because if you, maybe because you have now set your TP here, you decided to be blind, the price can actually come here and do some certain, maybe create some patterns and reverse to the upside, take away all the profit. All right, so I'm going to be closing like 4 or 5 trades, okay, whenever the price hits my psychological level. Then the remaining 1 or 2, I will allow them the remaining to run, okay, to see if they can actually hit the TP. But one thing I want you guys to pay close attention to is that, remember previously my stop loss, 2 stop losses are here, and here also some stop loss is also here above this swing. So but now if you pay close attention, I've already shifted all of them to break even. So even if the price started to reverse against me right now, with no matter how fast the price reverses to the upside, I think my account is secured. Okay, my account is secured. I can equally decide to shift all the stop loss to this level. That's another way to manage this particular trade. You can shift all the stop loss to this particular swing high, okay, so that you, by now, you could have locked in some profits. Okay, that's another way to like close this kind of trade. Okay, so these are the 2 ways I'm going to be using. So I hope you enjoy this video, and you have learned a lot using the strategy I've shared with you. Everything starting from the breakdown to the entry to the exit, everything I shared it in this video. Hope this is going to help you, make some money. Remember to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel or you are not yet a subscriber. make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video also. Okay, support this this channel to grow, and leave a comment, good one. All right, leave a good comment, because I know what I'm dropping here is mind-blowing, guys. So yeah, I don't think there's any need for negative energy right here. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, the Telegram group is free. If you want to join to enjoy free signals, premium signals for free, you have opportunity to also join the Telegram channel, guys. So I think I'll be closing about 4 of the entries at this point. You can see it's almost hitting my TP, my target, which is this line. But I'm going to leave the other ones and manage the rest with I'm going to use stop loss to manage the rest. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So let me do this live. Okay, this is a small account already, so I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this also. Then I'm going to allow these two to run. I will simply shift the stop loss to here. Okay, I'm going to shift also the second stop loss. Okay, I'm going to shift it here too. You can see I've locked in this profit right now, so I will allow the trade to push down. Okay, so you can see there is no more TP right here, so the trade can go as far as possible. Okay, so guys, as I told you already that I will be carrying you along as we proceed with this trade. So if you look right here using the 5 minutes time frame, you can see we cleared even the psychological level right here, okay, which is the point I took profits about 3 trades or so. I took profit. Then I have to start managing this particular trade with, before now I push the stop loss to entry, which is break even. Then after closing the 3 trades, after hitting the first TP, I shifted the stop loss to this zone. Now the price have cleared the psychological level. You can see where my stop loss is now. So as the price keep pushing, I keep shifting my stop loss. That's the way I'll manage this trade until I'm tired of taking profit, or until the price reverses and, you know, close with the stop loss. All right, so that's that for this. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.